clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Be everywhere all the time. Essentially, what setting up a CSM will do is put your website into the cloud. Why do I want my website in the cloud? Firstly, because it will help fight off the bad guys who might be able to hack your network, but will have a lot harder time hacking CloudFlares. Secondly, putting your website in the cloud will help it run faster. Because CloudFlare has servers set up all around the world, it allows for the information to travel less distance, making it more easily accessible to the international market. So, sign up and follow the instructions. Now, if you follow the steps, you should have your new server names. Go to wherever you purchased your domain, GoDaddy or Namecheap. Look under the name server and plug in the ones that CloudFlare gave you. This process of getting your website onto the cloud might take a few days, but your website will run smoothly throughout, as guaranteed by CloudFlare. For one last time, go to GTmetrix and check out your site speed score. Take a snapshot and share it with the class using #FinalSiteSpeed. Write in the description how much faster your site is running now than before. As for this section, you are done. You now have your website set up to win the search engine race. You have done this by getting your SEO score using WooRank.com, getting set up with 3 analytics software, and lastly, ramping up your website speed with the use of plugins. In the next lecture, we will be talking about keyword research. Here, you will learn about 5 methods used by SEO professionals to collect the best keywords for their website. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.